You tell them. 1, then 2. We're 1 and 2. Luckily your shoe. They're planning something scary. I'm giving them a breather. You like the show so far? Alright, this is for you. Now, Riley loves racing motocross. His first race, what place did you get? First place. He had something in mind, he had a goal. He had a goal and a dream. I had to ask him first, but Riley had to go in for a heart operation. That's right, but doctors are what they are, and made him all good. So that was his dream, to come out of that operation and surgery. So this is dedicated to you, Riley. Okay? So that's right. Alright. And guys, I really want a poster after the show. Absolutely for Riley right there, alright? Are we ready to rock and roll? Let's hear you now! Let's hear you now! Okay. Now, all of you have been wanting the backflip. Everybody comes over during the day. We want to see some backflips. Yeah? Okay. Uh-oh, Michael. See the guy in the green helmet? No, I mean the orange helmet. Anyway, he's telling each one of those guys to get higher than they've ever been for this crowd. So you have to give it back. You've got to believe in them. Kids, but most of all, you've got to believe in yourself. Let's do it! TNT's at the end of that song. You got it. Let's hear you now! You've got to watch this. You've got to watch this. Watch this now. Whoa, explosive. People get loud. TTM hat on the count of 3. We point. Oh, and Riley, you're number 1, kid. All right. What a great audience. Okay, hold on. I hope you liked our show and the messages. Everything I say is in their hearts. My riders want all of you to know you're number 1. Follow your goals and dreams. All right. That was a good ride. You said he almost fell. But that's why we wear the helmets. Wear that gear. Kids, you gotta wear that gear. I want to thank all my riders. To me, they are all equal. It doesn't make any difference. The best one, the middle one, the one that's not doing as many tricks. It's that all of you are out there trying. As long as you're trying, you're winners. It's when you don't try anymore. You know? Wait a minute. And sometimes you can't do something. It could be your homework. You can't do it. You can't. There's one word missing. You can't do it, and the missing word is yet. You can't do it yet. I can't do that trick yet, but I am going to try. So just remember that. Let's thank right now. Let's have a big hand for Hunter Shoes. Let's have another big hand for Tanner Lantow.